The wait is over. It's finally here.
Introducing Next Generation 14, the ideal grate for bathrooms and indoor wet areas. At 14mm deep, the Next 14 is one of the thinnest grates in the world. Our Next Generation 26, great for multi-purpose indoor-outdoor areas such as balconies and patios. Our easy rollout system is standard across the Next Generation range, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Our Next Generation 35 is the ideal grate for pools and driveways, or when using large format tiles. NXT 35 is the deepest grate of the Lauxes range and allows for more water flow than ever before. Along with all other Lauxes grates, the waste can be positioned anywhere along the bottom tray, saving valuable time and money. With easy rollout, anti-tracking and a ton of exclusive features, our Next Generation range is an industry game changer. Our new and improved STI. Sleek, streamlined and no visible slots.